Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Charles Vicious, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add stroke to your text in Photoshop. So let's get right into it. Alright, so you can simply click T or move down your text to this typography tool, then type in, let's just say text. Okay, then we can increase the size. I think that's okay. Then let's realign this to the center. Select. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to come down to fill, then reduce it to 0. Alright, then come down to FX and click stroke. Alright, so you can adjust the size here. I hope you can see that you can adjust the size or reduce the size here, but this is just a simple way to create your stroke effect in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ensure you subscribe, you like, and leave a comment below.